Hi, I'm Jana from the blog Lucy and Matilda. Everyday homemaking, simple, old-fashioned, and satisfying. And today we're going to make chia seed crackers. Let's get started. Okay, for this recipe, you're going to need chia seeds, pepitas or pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds, which I couldn't find because of the current situation on the earth right now. So, substituting. So we'll just use an extra bit of sunflower seeds. Okay, let's get started here. We'll need half a cup of chia seeds, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, half a cup of sunflower seeds, and you would need half a cup of sesame seeds, but we'll use another half a cup of sunflower seeds. All right. Half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of water. Now, you're just going to stir this until it becomes thickened, sort of gelled. The chia seeds are affected by the water, making kind of a jelly consistency, and they'll make all the seeds kind of stick together. Okay, now that you can see that it's thickened up, we are going to spread it evenly on a cookie sheet, but make sure you have parchment paper, otherwise it will stick. So I'll just scoop it kind of into little lumps. Here we go. Now you're going to want to switch and use a rubber spatula to spread it evenly. It should be about 1/4 of an inch thick. So try and make the edges even as much as you can, because these are going to be crackers. So you're going to want to keep them a bit squarish shaped. But if it doesn't work out, don't worry about it. They'll still be delicious. Now these crackers are very, very good. They keep their crunch. They've got a nice toasty taste to them. And they actually last for quite a while. They keep for quite a while in a Ziploc bag in your cupboard. You don't need to refrigerate them. They're full of protein, and they're great with, say, apple slices and some cheese for a quick lunch break or a snack. Okay, that looks good enough. Now we'll just pop it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now we're going to slide the parchment paper with the crackers onto the cutting board. Ouch. And use a sharp knife to cut it into the sizes that you would like. And then We're going to flip them over. Okay, now back onto the cutting, or onto the cookie sheet, if I can do it without spilling. Success. All right, back into the oven for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to start at 15 and check. We don't want them to burn. Okay. Here we go, they're out of the oven. I took them out at about 15 minutes. At 10 minutes, I was thinking that they were finished, but I thought, well, let's put them in for just a few more minutes and we'll see. I don't know if you can tell whether these are crispy or not, but okay, they're finished. So we just let them cool completely on the cooling rack and throw them in a Ziploc bag or a sealed container of some sort, and they will last for quite a while, maybe even up to 2 weeks. All right, okay, so thanks a lot for coming over and making chia seed crackers with me. Stay safe during this trying time. If you'd like to see more of these videos, click the notification bell and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.